Okay, so first of all, could I have you introduce yourself and what villages you come from?
Yeah, my name's Justin Tafa. I'm a UFC Heavyweight from the villages of Sokopaikea and Mulifangua.
Oh, yeah, I know those villages. So what brings you back here to Auckland?
Just originally just come to see my little cousins graduate from university and celebrate with them and see some family and friends. It's been like 4 or 5 years, so yeah.
Oh, nice. Well, welcome back. And is there any childhood memory you have from Auckland that particularly stuck with you?
Yeah, I think like all the cultural things like performing at schools and White Sundays and Polyfest and that's probably like the most distinct thing that differs from living in Brisbane now, yeah.
And we're here at the Maris Club Rooms, and I hear that you used to play here. This used to be your club room?
Yeah, I used to win championships here back in the day when I was a young boy, yeah.
And what position did you play?
Second row lock.
Okay. So did you have a childhood league hero?
Yeah, it was Sonny Bill, Ruben Wiki. They were the superstars back in the day, and Sonny Bill was a junior at this club too. So yes, he's good.
And do you have any current fave heroes or players?
Yeah, like all the tall Samoa boys, like Brian To'o and Stephen Crichton. Man, I see them as superstars.
Do you have a fave league team at the moment?
Yeah, I'm a Parramatta Eel, so like that. Yeah.
Okay. Moving over to fighting, do you have a favorite fighter of all time across all fight codes?
Yeah, my favorite fighter is David Tua, just like most Samoans.
Okay, so any predictions for the UFC? Izzy or Pereira?
Izzy all the way.
Masvidal or Burns?
I think Burns gonna win that one.
And then Holland or Ponzinibbio?
I think Holland will win that one.
Okay, well there we have your predictions for the upcoming, so we shall see. Now we have a quick round of this or that. Uppercut or left hook?
Uppercut.
Flying knee or leg kick?
Leg kick.
Walk off or Siva Samoa?
Siva Samoa.
Galo or fa'i?
Ooh, Galo.
Okay. Kekpua'a or sapasui?
Kikipua.
Pai fala or pankeke?
Pankeke.
And then for garage drinks, taute or sosefina?
Taute.
Now, do you have a song that you listen to or you use to hype yourself up before a fight?
Yeah, I usually listen to like Your Runner from RSA Band, maybe. Any of those classics. Get the muscles relaxed.
Yeah, nice. They have good drum beats too. It's a little bit upbeat. And what's the last song you listen to on your playlist or Spotify?
I think it was one of Wayne's Siva Samoa 2K20, I think. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a good mix. And do you have a fave Samoan song?
Oh, it will probably have to be Tama Samoa.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. Well, thank you so much for joining us.
Pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you.